Ever pick up a notebook and thought it's just a notebook? Well, imagine if that notebook felt like a little piece of luxury, something that really stands out. Customer-aged notebooks aren't just about writing, they are about style. You got gilded edge that shines, painted edge in your brand's color, or cool printing patterns that tell your story. It's that wow factor people notice right away. Your logo isn't just on the cover, it's everywhere, getting attention even when the notebook is closed. This edge don't just look welcome, they feel special too. It's luxury, it's quality. Your notebook goes from basic to memorable. It's not just something you write in, it's something people keep and show off. Want your brand to stand out? Let's chat. We can help you create customer-aged notebook that turn heads. Contact us today. Line Paper Products is ready to bring your ideas to life.